I was still, so basically I started freelancing. So I started checking Upwork, Fiverr and the likes. So basically I was just freelancing up until 2020. So then I thought to myself, I don't think this freelancing is going to just be the way for me. I have to change. I just felt like I want to build a proper career. I just knew freelancing is not something I'm just going to stay with for life. Even if I'll still do it, I'm not going to stick with it for life. So I wanted a proper career. I wanted to see that progression in the industry. I could be a freelancer all my life and then I'll never see progression as a software developer. I'll never get to taste some kind of project. I will never get to taste some skills of project. You get? So I decided that I wanted to work in companies. Now, from 2019, 2020, I started applying to interviews. I was not ready to move yet, but I just wanted to see what interviews felt like. I started checking job descriptions, and when I checked job descriptions, what did I go for? I read this description, I see the skills they need. I started writing them out. See, one of the dangers of freelancing is this: it's going to lock you into just one particular skill. So I've been locked into a specific skill for a very long time that when I started trying to apply, I was seeing a lot of things that were weird. Not like maybe, yeah, I could pick them up easily when I learn them, but I realized I've not learned, I've not moved away, I've not grown when it comes to a lot of stuff. So I started writing down things I think are missing whenever I read job descriptions. Okay, I look for companies that I really want to work at. Then I list these tools they are using, the textiles they are using, the tools they use in their work and stuff like that. I started learning how to use these things. So these were the focus of my learning. Whenever I want to watch a tutorial, I want to purchase a tutorial, it was focused. I knew what I was going, where I was going. I wasn't learning because, oh, Node.js is the shiny thing out there. I wasn't learning because Java is the shiny thing out there. No, I was learning based on the industry I want to work in. So I was learning the tools that the industry used. Now, I started applying to interviews. I did interview. I was scared. I was shaky. I was making mistakes and stuff like that. Then over time, I started doing more interviews. I started getting very comfortable with interview. And coupled with the fact that I was skilled, so I started getting so comfortable that sometimes it doesn't feel like I'm in an interview again because I'm just rapping with them straight away. When they're asking questions, I'm answering. When they want me to solve something, I'm solving with ease. I'm asking questions. I got to understand how interviews should be. So I was never scared of interviews again. And that really helped me when I was ready to transition into working with companies. So in 2021, January, I started working with companies properly. And today, I'm still working with company. I work at Seller right now. So this is me putting it out there that in case you want a career kind of progression, you might need to start preparing to leave freelancing and then moving to getting jobs, get proper jobs where you can actually face more challenging stuff. You can see new things. You can experience new kind of problems and problems at scale. But if you're perfectly fine with your freelancing thing, then go for it. Stay with it. It's even possible you are freelancing and still working with companies, so you can actually go for it. So I'm just sharing my own tips, and maybe you can actually pick one or two things from things I've talked about. Please like, follow, and share for more like this.